Look, anyway, interesting old building.
Turn right on St. Michael's Road, then turn right. Turn right on Kettering Road, then keep right. Keep right on Willingborough Road, then keep right.
So round we go.
Keep right on Kettering Road, then turn left.
I'm not sure if we go right here. Do we go right here? Yeah, that's right. We'll go right here.
Turn left on Kettering Gardens.
And turn left into Jaguar. It says in the notes, yeah, turn into Jaguar. Turn into Jaguar, it says on their little map. And into here. Tricker's private car park. Bloody traffic wardens in Northampton, they're all over the place. I got a ticket the other day when I filmed here in, yeah, let's go into the proper car park. Yeah, so here we go. So here's, I'll pan round and show you. So there's, yeah, there's Tricker's outlet, yeah? So you go in that door there. Okay, so that's where you go for the Tricker's factory shop. Turning off now, so I know that that's one video done when I come to do the editing.